Ìwé kíkọ láìsí ọkọ àti àdá kò ì pé o, kò ì pé o.
Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí orí ìkànnì yìí, ìkànnì àṣà ohun èdè Yorùbá tẹ́yìn máa ṣe ń darapọ̀ mọ́ wa. This is where we teach ourselves how to speak the language Yorùbá. In case you don't know how to speak Yorùbá and you wish you really desire, I'm taking it simple. There are big grammar, there are big things you can say in Yorùbá, but man, on this channel we're going to break it down and how to start, how to speak the Yorùbá one after the other. So today we are just going to do simple sentences in Yorùbá. Simple sentences in Yorùbá. We've done greeting in Yorùbá. If you want to greet somebody in the morning, say ẹ káàárọ̀. And if you want to say goodbye, say ó dàbọ̀. Are you hungry? And you want to say it in Yorùbá, ebi ń pa mí. That means I am hungry. Ebi ń pa mí. Ebi is hunger. Ebi is hunger. Ebi ń pa mí. I am hungry. If you are thirsty, thirst in Yorùbá is òǹgbẹ. Thirst is òǹgbẹ. And I am thirsty in Yorùbá is òǹgbẹ ń gbẹ mí. Òǹgbẹ ń gbẹ mí. And I'm thirsty. What is water in Yorùbá? It's omi. Omi is water in English. I am putting on this cloth. This is aṣọ. Aṣọ, cloth. I want to put on my cloth. Mo fẹ́ wọ aṣọ mi. I want to put on cloth. Mo fẹ́ wọ aṣọ. I want to get dressed. Mo fẹ́ múra. I want to get dressed. Mo fẹ́ múra. Mo fẹ́ jáde. I want to go out. Mo jáde. I went out. Mo ń bọ̀. I am coming. I'm on my way. Is mo ń bọ̀ lọ́nà. Or mo wà lọ́nà. I'm on the way. Mo wà lọ́nà. Ẹ káàbọ̀ is welcome. Ẹ káàbọ̀ is welcome. These are just simple sentences you can actually do in the Yoruba language that will give you, at least you can speak one of those things, you know. In the next episode, I'm going to be talking of things you can do academically, things relating to education. That's what the next episode is going to be. So my name is Àyíkí, and I choose draw me. I'll see you again in the next episode.
Ìwé kíkọ láìsí ọkọ àti àdá kò ì pé o, kò ì pé o.